Belarus state media say that President Alexander Lukashenko ordered a fighter jet to force a Ryanair flight with an opposition activist on board to land in the capital of Minsk, Belarus today. Roman Protasevich, a vocal critic of Lukashenko's regime, was arrested at Minsk airport after his flight from Greece to Lithuania was forced to land.
Today we faced an unprecedented event when flying a passenger plane from Athens to Vilnius by a Ryanair company was forcibly landed in Minsk. Evidently, Belarusian KGB is behind the incident because a military plane, concretely MiG-29 and helicopter Mi-24 was used to land the plane. On board the plane, there were 171 passengers, among them a Belarusian political activist, opposition member, the founder of the Nexta outlet, Roman Protasevich. He was detained. We don't know his destiny so far.
The Oman came in and they have arrested him.
Did they use any physical force?
Of course.
Did they beat Roman?
Not in front of us, but we were afraid that they...
How scared he was?
Super scared. I looked at him directly into his eyes and it was very sad.
When it was announced that we're going to land in Minsk, so the Romans stand up, really open the, let's say, luggage door, take the luggage, and was trying to split the things, like computer, give it to a girlfriend.
We are very tired. We were 8 hours there. We didn't get any information what happened, only what we could find on internet.